Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Tips for Longevity. Today I am going to explain you about the very common and troublesome disease which most of the people are suffering in the world. It is gastritis. So watch till the end and I am going to show you how to prepare a easy Ayurvedic preparation that you can use as a home remedy. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, subscribe us and don't forget to click the bell icon for instant notifications. Due to urbanization and industrialization, to cope up with the speed of modern era, we all have to adopt junk food preparations, overwork and stressful duty schedule. From this video, I am going to discuss with you about the causative factors, signs and symptoms, complications, investigations, treatments and especially about few home remedies. Most of the people suffering from gastroesophageal reflux and gastritis resulting in heartburn. The stomach normally secretes acid that is essential in the digestive process. When there is an excess production of acid in the stomach, it results in the condition known as hyperacidity or gastritis. When we consider about Ayurvedic view, literally Amla Pitta means the Pitta of sour taste. Ayurveda text mentioned that increased Amla or sour property of Pitta dosha is known as Amla Pitta. And also it mentioned that Amla Pitta or gastritis is caused by aggravation of Pitta dosha and its liquid and sour properties. Excess formation of Pitta dosha is thought to be the main pathological mechanism behind manifestation of this disease. Ayurvedic text clearly mentioned about causative factors, signs and symptoms, pathogenesis, classification, complications, prognosis as well as the treatment line. To treat the disease and to prevent occurring the disease, it is important to know about the causative factors. We can talk causative factors under 4 topics. They are diet, behavior or lifestyle, mental factors and other causes. Diet-related causative factors are excessive intake of sour and salty foods, eating of fermented food, excessive intake of fast food or junk food items and oily foods, irregular meal times, lesser intake of water, repeated food intake, that means eat food before digestion of previous meal, excessive intake of coffee and tea, behavior-related causative factors are sleeping immediately after meals, lack of rest, and fast-moving lifestyle, excessive exposure to sun and fire, addict to alcohol, smoking and tobacco chewing, suppression of natural urges and insufficient sleep at night. Mental factors are excessive anxiety, anger, fear and jealousy and stressful lifestyle. Other factors include prolonged intake of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin, diclofenac, ibuprofen, Helicobacter pylori infection, allergic reactions, autoimmune reaction, certain food poisoning and radiation. Now we'll see what are the signs and symptoms. Burning sensation in the stomach, heart and chest burn, nausea and vomiting, throat burn, chest pain, indigestion, abdominal pain, heaviness in abdomen, headache, regurgitation of food or sour substance, aversion towards food, mouth ulcers, giddiness and itching all over the body are the most common signs and symptoms. In modern medicine, investigations like upper gastrointestinal endoscopy, esophageal pH monitoring, histology for Helicobacter pylori infection, and serology testing are commonly used to diagnose gastritis. If gastritis is not treated timely, or if unwholesome diet, regimen and habits continued, it may lead to complications like gastric ulcers, anemia, peptic stenosis, malabsorption and perforation in stomach. So, it is important to know how to prevent occurring the disease. As the saying goes, prevention is better than cure. It is important to avoid all the causative factors of gastritis. When considering the treatment according to Ayurveda, it can be conducted in three ways. First thing is avoid causative factors. Second thing is palliative treatment. As this is the Pitta dosha origin disease, measures should be taken to pacify Pitta dosha. Third thing is supporting treatment. When patient cannot manage well with oral medication, Panchakarma treatment can be done. Emesis, enema and purgation should be done under medical supervision. Ayurvedic texts mention various single drugs and drug preparations for treating gastritis. In modern medicine, they give antibiotic medications to kill Helicobacter pylori infections, medications that block acid production and promote healing, medications to reduce acid production, and antacids that neutralize stomach acids. As this is very troublesome disease, when we suffer from this disease, it will affect our day-to-day activities. So, it is important to know few home remedies that you can overcome most of the signs and symptoms. Now, I am going to show you how to prepare a very special preparation that is very much effective in alleviate the symptoms of gastritis. Let's see how to prepare.
This is the plant we use. Scientific name of this plant is Cyclea peltata and it is called inkberry or Indian moon seed in English and kahipittan in Sinhala. It is a slender twining shrub frequently climbing up on tall trees. Leaves are heart-shaped and 2.5 to 10 centimeters long. Separate the leaves, then wash and clean the leaves. Then take a clean small mortar and pestle. Add the leaves to mortar and crush the leaves using the pestle. Well crushed leaves can see like this. Then add small amount of water into the mortar and crush again using the pestle. You can see the final mixture like this. Then add this mixture to another container. Then strain the mixture and separate the plant extract into another clean container and keep it aside for few hours. Finally, you can see that liquid is like a gel. Then you can eat this jelly. If you like, add small amount of sugar or bees honey to increase the taste.
Let's see how to use aloe vera for gastritis. Take 2 teaspoons of fresh aloe vera gel and a glass of water. Blend the aloe gel with water and drink it. You can have 1 to 2 glasses of this every day. Aloe gel is extremely soothing for the irritated stomach. It reduces the inflammation of the stomach lining. We can use coconut water also. Water obtained from green fruit of coconut can be used. You can take about 100 milliliters of coconut water twice a day. Both young and mature coconut water contain anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial in soothing your inflamed stomach lining. But be sure that coconut water is not tangy, as that can cause acid reflux. How honey helps to cure gastritis? For that, you need 2 tablespoons of honey and a glass of boiled and cool water. Add the honey to the water and mix well. Drink this on empty stomach daily in the morning. Honey can effectively kill the harmful bacteria in the stomach as it is bactericidal in nature. It also possesses anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that can help with the healing process of the stomach lining. Another effective ingredient is coriander. You can use cold infusion of coriander seeds with sugar twice a day. Let's see how to prepare it. For that, you need 25 grams of coriander seeds and 150 milliliters of pure water. Crush the seeds into a coarse powder using mortar and pestle and add water. Keep it overnight in a pot. It is better to use an earthen pot. In the next day morning, mix the seeds, strain it and drink. It is important to remember that though we take treatments and cure the disease, if we follow the causative factors again and again, you will definitely suffer from the disease again, because it is a disease very much related with food pattern and behavior and mental status. Let's see which type of vegetables and fruits are good for gastritis. Vegetables such as pumpkin, bitter gourd, white gourd, cucumber, lady's fingers, ash plantain, carrot, and beans are good for gastritis. Fruits such as papaya, beel fruit, pomegranate, Indian gooseberry, apple, dry grapes, and watermelon are good for gastritis. Other food items such as green gram and green gram boiled water, barley boiled water, sugar cane, juice of Indian gooseberry, lukewarm water, and ghee are good for gastritis. You should avoid food items such as excessive spicy, sour, and salty food items. Example, pickle, chili paste, and sauce. Avoid fried and junk food items such as chips, pastries, and bread. Drinks with caffeine such as tea and coffee. Fruits like pineapple and mangosteen. Tomato, alcohol, red meat, energy drinks, soft drinks, chocolate, and raw vegetables. And you should avoid fast, do not overeat, avoid untimely and irregular food habits, avoid lying down immediately after food, and avoid stress. Yoga exercises help to prevent many diseases and aid in curing many diseases along with the main drug treatment. There are yoga asanas or various yoga postures that you can practice to avoid various gastric problems. Among them, Pavanamuktasana, Vajrasana, Kapalabhati Pranayama, Uttrasana are important postures. I think that you learned some important facts regarding gastritis through this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for more videos.